हे फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको एक ऐसा सीक्रेट बताने वाला हूं जो स्कूल में किसी ने नहीं बताया, किसी टीचर ने नहीं बताया कि इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी ग्रामर से नहीं, स्टोरीज से आती है। यस, स्टोरीज जो आपकी रियल लाइफ से जुड़ी हो। सो टुडे आई टीच यू 7 रियल लाइफ स्टोरी टॉपिक्स दैट विल मेक यू फ्लुएंट इन ऑल टेंसेस without fear and without grammar stress. Ready? Let's start your Fatafat English story journey. Let's start with day one. And the topic is a day in my life. In this, we will focus on present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense यानी डेली रूटीन और अपनी हैबिट्स को बताने के लिए जिसे हम इंग्लिश में यूज करते हैं। जब आप अपनी रोज की लाइफ को नेचुरली इंग्लिश में बताना चाहते हो, जैसे आई वेक अप अर्ली या आई स्टडी इंग्लिश, this is all about present indefinite tense. Let's focus on present indefinite tense. Every day I wake up at 6 o'clock. My mother calls me again and again, but I take 5 more minutes. I brush my teeth, take a bath, and get ready for school. I eat my breakfast quickly because I never want to miss the bus. I study English daily because I really want to speak fluently. My friends tease me, English babu ban gaya, but I keep smiling. At night, I watch English videos and repeat the lines loudly. I go to bed at 10 o'clock and I promise myself, tomorrow I'll speak even better English. देखा, यही है प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट। सिंपल, नेचुरल एंड डेली यूज टेंस। डेली 5 सेंटेंसेस बोल करके अपने रूटीन लाइफ को प्रैक्टिस कीजिए एंड यू विल मास्टर प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। डे नंबर 2 and the topic is what's going on in my house. In this we will focus on present continuous tense. Present continuous tense का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब हम अभी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जो भी काम हमारी लाइफ में अभी हो रहे हैं। जब आप अपने सराउंडिंग्स या फैमिली के एक्टिविटीज को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो, जैसे माई मदर इज कुकिंग या आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश। लेट्स फोकस ऑन प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस। राइट नाउ आई एम सिटिंग इन माई रूम and talking to you in English. My mother is cooking delicious food. I can smell it already. My father is reading the newspaper and giving free advices to the government. My mother is making a reel. My sister is studying her notes. Everyone is busy, but I'm doing something special. I'm improving myself. Just say 5 sentences about your family right now using present continuous. Don't worry about mistakes. Just repeat the sentences. Day 3. And the topic is the best things I have done. In this, we will focus on present perfect. Present perfect tense का यूज होता है जो काम कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं, जो भी काम कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं और रिजल्ट अभी तक विजिबल है। जैसे आई हैव स्टडीड इंग्लिश, आई हैव हेल्प्ड माई फादर। लेट्स फोकस ऑन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। अपनी लाइफ की 5 अचीवमेंट्स लिखो और इंग्लिश में बोलकर रिपीट करो। लाइक आई हैव लर्नड मैनी लेसन्स इन माई लाइफ, आई हैव हेल्प्ड माई फ्रेंड्स वेन एवर दे नीडेड मी, आई हैव फेल्ड समटाइम्स but I have never given up. I have made my parents proud. I have realized that confidence is built every single day, and I have started speaking English daily, even if I make mistakes. Just realize the way you have learned present perfect tense. It shows what you have done so far and its effect till today. Now, day 4. And the topic is yesterday was a funny day. In this, we will practice past indefinite. Past indefinite का यूज होता है कुछ स्पेसिफिक पास्ट इवेंट्स के लिए, जैसे I woke up late, I missed the bus yesterday. This focuses on past indefinite tense. Yesterday was such a crazy day. I woke up late because my alarm betrayed me. I ran like Usain Bolt to catch the bus, but I missed it by 2 seconds. My teacher looked at me like I committed a crime. During lunch, I dropped my tiffin and everybody laughed. But I also laughed because funny days become great memories later. That's how you naturally use past indefinite. अब अपनी कल की कुछ एक्टिविटीज को 5-6 सेंटेंसेस में इंग्लिश में डिस्क्राइब करो. Day 5. And the topic is when I was doing something, this happened. In this, we will learn past continuous tense. Past continuous का यूज होता है जब कुछ हो रहा था पास्ट में और कुछ और हुआ उसके साथ. जैसे आई वॉज स्टडिंग व्हेन द पावर वेंट ऑफ. अब अपने पास के इंटरेस्टिंग इवेंट्स को 3-4 सेंटेंसेस में डिस्क्राइब करो. लेट्स फोकस ऑन पास्ट continuous. Last week, I was studying seriously when the power went off. I was calling my brother, but he was watching reels. I was trying to find a candle in the dark. And suddenly, he shouted, "Boo!" I screamed. He laughed. And we were laughing for hours that night. You just use was were plus action ing. Naturally, with fun. Up, practice 3-4 sentences and describe what happened last time. Day 6. And the topic is my dreams and plans. In this, we will focus on future indefinite. Future indefinite का यूज होता है कुछ आने वाले काम के लिए, कुछ फ्यूचर के लिए. जैसे I will speak English fluently, I will travel the world. अब अपने 4-5 गोल्स को लिखो और रिपीट करो. Let me give you more examples. I will speak English fluently. I will travel the world. I will make my parents proud. I will keep learning every day. One day I will say, yes, I made it. When you speak like this, you are not just learning English. You are designing your future. Now, day 7. And the topic is my English journey. All tenses mixed. Here we will mix all the sentences and practice everything that we have learned so far. Day 7 में हम सारे के सारे टेंसेस मिक्स करेंगे. प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर, कॉन्टिन्यूस, परफेक्ट. और आप अपनी इंग्लिश जर्नी को स्टोरी की तरह 5-7 लाइन्स में डिस्क्राइब करो. Now you will be able to speak correctly and perfectly. I started learning English a few months ago. At first, I was scared to speak. Slowly, I began watching videos and repeating sentences. Now, I am practicing daily. I have improved a lot and I will continue improving. My journey started with fear, but it will end with confidence. And that's your story too, isn't it? So, friends, stop memorizing grammar. Start telling the stories. Because English is not a subject, it's a feeling. If you like these 7 story topics, just comment below. I'm ready to speak my story in English. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Next time, I'll teach you how to write your own English story that impresses everyone. Until then, keep smiling and keep speaking. Keep growing with Fatapat English with Abhishek sir. Thank you.